coronavirus vaccine. Yeah. So this right here.
African edition.
African edition. Eh.
Hello everyone. So today is day 4 of Vlogmas. There's a lot of noise in the background, y'all. Sorry, but I have some water boiling, things going on. Today I've really just spent a lot of time editing the previous vlog. So if you haven't seen that vlog, please go check it out. We had a good time at Galla's birthday and all the things that went on in that vlog. My baby is 2 months. But yeah, go check out that vlog. Right now I'm about to cook. I wanted to like make some chicken wings. And I'm just thinking of a creative way to make them because I always do like hot wings, of course, or lemon pepper wings, and I hate sweet wings. I don't like barbecue or mango wings or none of that. So trying to think of a different way to make them. Let me know if y'all do any like creative like out there wings besides like the basics of like hot lemon pepper parmesan wings. So I'm about to do that, and I will check back with y'all when they're
Make them head wings, babe.
when they're done. Okay, y'all, so I brought Mr. here because since he knows about Maggi wings and I've never even heard about it, he's gonna do the mixture so the proportions can like be just what they need to be. So let's get started.
You want to go ahead and cook everything together, but for the sake of just showing y'all, this is pepper. This is blended pepper. I believe this one has elderberry in it. But traditionally, you blend your peppers with ginger.
It has elderberry?
Yeah, this pepper has elderberry in it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we call it the coronavirus vaccine. This is the original vaccine. This is the original coronavirus vaccine. But that's for another video. So you blend your peppers with like Maggi. Well, I'm sorry. You blend it with onions, ginger, garlic, and then you use habanero peppers. Blend it all together and you cook it. And then to get the Maggi portion, you use soy sauce or liquid Maggi. You guess so you just throw it on so inside. Just throw it on so fine. And because this one isn't too spicy, this one's more of a coronavirus vaccine. Yeah. So this right here.
African edition.
African edition. Eh. Then this is pepper. This is a cake. Now hot ice. Yeah, hot ice. You only need about 1 shake of this right there. Bam. Okay.
Mr. Fago, but y'all see it.
Alright.
So it's looking like a. Those are the fryers that are going off in the air fryer in the background. But yeah, are we heating this up? Maybe we should heat this up, or do you just do it like that?
You can. You can just eat it like this. You can heat it up. All depends on the preference. I want to taste it first before.
Ooh. spicy?
Yeah, it's all that.
The pepper, that was a lot of pepper.
Wait till you taste it, Just wait.
Okay, so this is just gonna be the dipping sauce for these Maggi wings.
Like your African Americans say, it's hot sauce. It's hot sauce. This sauce don't hot, It's not hot sauce. This sauce don't hot. Alright.
Okay, so we're gonna try it out, y'all. See.
We still haven't given me any offer.
Taste test.
Alright.
Maggi wings loading. I've never heard of this. This is so African. You said before you put it in your mouth. Is it really good?
As soon as
No.
as soon as it hit my mouth, that flavor. What you don't understand is the flavor is there. Yeah. Alright.
Is it really good? Like, is it like flavor, spice, everything?
Nah. I should eat the rest of these. You won't enjoy it at all. You're not gonna my cup about, babe.
Me probably onto something.
Nah.
I probably shouldn't share this. You should just get something going. You feel me?
Nah. It's nasty.
Anyway, I'm gonna try it. So, I'm trying it now, y'all. It's gonna be like a little.
It's okay.
It's good.
Oh, yeah. Ship rules.
It does have that kick.
Does it ever?
It does, but the flavor, like I love the way
It tastes right.
I love the way it tastes. I love the way Maggi tastes, so that's why I was kind of like, oh, I think this would be good.
We have to do it without the elderberry.
But yeah, I think this is good. So would you toss them in there though, or no? Like it's like a dipping.
Yeah, it's like a dipping for me. Yeah.
Okay. Well, it tastes good, y'all. Maggi wings. Maggi wings. Now he's chugging water. You hear that?
I thought you said, it's not hot sauce. The
Checking
sauce
the
don't
water.
hot. The sauce don't hot, But I think that's like part of the flavor too. Your mouth has to be burning for you to really enjoy it. If you're not African, you probably wouldn't understand that statement.
That's good. I like it.
Okay. Say something for me. No, but we can both make some more, so.
Alright, y'all. I'm about to go eat.
These wings are good too.